I'm a dog and that's true, baby. Can we call this here a truce, baby? And you know I got the juice, baby.
You ugly. Hey, you ugly. You ugly. You ugly. You ugly. You ugly.
Ugly as hell. I'm on your ass. You ugly as hell. You ugly as hell. Do the dance. Ugly as hell. You ugly as hell. Ugly as hell. Look at him. Look at him.
His legs not moving.
I like the beat going.
I'm about to go home.
This nigga still. This nigga still.
Look at the footwork. Oh!
Come on, let's go over there.
You about to do a little Saint on your ass.
Me? I'll talk to him earlier today.
No.
Oh, you?
To me, not you.
What are you doing? Go, look at this thing, almost got hit by the boys.
Right.
Who? You talking about Drew?
Yeah. Dumbass.
I was like,
now if they would have
gonna
hopped
stop?
off, if they would have hopped off them bikes and got to beating your ass, then what?
Yeah, Rodney.
I would have beat his ass. I would have.
No, I would have recorded, but shit, I ain't got time for them
I would
niggas.
have hashtag. You would
Right.
have helped him, bro.
Hashtag Julius
I
Randle.
would have went over there and helped him.
Why are we making jokes about it? That's how bad it is. Damn. Being black in America.
You know,
If they would have came with me, I would have faced him in the last.
That would have been like, world star. I would have helped him.
help them do what?
Put 2 hashtags.
Bro, it would have been steep. You know it's bad when you see police next to black people and automatically think that though.
Yeah. You got the Apple game?
It's like, no.
Who's this nigga snapping up?
What was that?
It looked like we got to argue. We did.
Yeah, y'all did.
We good. And we good. And we good.
You ugly. You ugly. You ugly.
I didn't go. Nigga can't roast it on every vlog.
I'm on his head. Hey, that's a nice hat.
Got it from Bub.
Somebody go touch him.
Somebody go over there and talk that.
Please, Julius, go touch him.
He about to.
Bro, that nigga a crackhead. Where'd he get those boxing gloves from?
Those are kids' boxing gloves.
What is that?
What is this nigga doing, bro?
What part of that are you not hearing?
Brand new video shows the chaos as shots are fired during last night's fireworks as the family of the innocent victim in all of this speaks out. And that's where we begin here at 5 with new information in the shootings downtown last night at the fireworks.
Let's take a look at this viewer video of the shooting in Hart Plaza. There you see people scrambling to get away in Hart Plaza just as the fireworks were getting underway. An innocent bystander was hit. She's recovering tonight at Henry Ford Hospital, and that's where Rod Maloney is standing by. He's been talking with the family. Let's start with how she's doing, Rod.
Oh, y'all just missed.
Time out. Look at this ignorant nigga here.
They shoot like a motherfucker.
Where's the winner?
Bro, the only thing is, like, I wasn't even gonna run because, like,
I wasn't gonna run either, bro.
cause like I thought it was a firecracker, but then I saw actual security running. So I was like, bro.
I wasn't about to run either, bro.
I just looked over to her. My shoes was off.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Niggas hella about to get shot now.
They said start this shit.
I'm Vuhlandes, bro.
shit trash as hell.
Hold on. You had water. Oh, wait, focus. You have to use the focus.
Trash.
Vote right now.
Hey, but look at mine though.
Look at mine. Hold on.
That shit trash. You got a fucking Android.
This nigga got a Google phone.
Do you see the motherfucking statue in the back?
I had a Snapchat and I'm still unable to open that bitch.
Terrible.
You gonna put like a red X over that?
Hey, come on, let's get it. My nigga. Oh shit, this nigga. Oh my god. So you mean to tell me these niggas gonna hear a flip off their back wall? I mean, off their brick wall. It's a brick wall.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not like he don't weigh 150 pounds.
Bro, they not gonna hear that shit, bro. Just do that shit one time. If they come out here, just tell them to kick rocks. All these rocks right here, they got enough rocks to kick. Fuck them niggas.
Oh, let me practice.
Talking about practice. Okay. This just some extra black nigga shit. What the fuck?
That shit was quick as hell. Almost died.
Hey, do that shit one more time, bro. Hey, do that shit again, bro.
What the fuck is that?
Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna get this shit in slow mo. Okay. One more time for the. Yeah. Hey, bro. Where we going though?
My pizza. My pizza.
Ooh, that's nice.
My pizza.
That's right there.
My pizza.
Gang.
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 Don't
My
film him.
pizza.
Gang.
Sit down. We gonna brush that down.
If you don't get that weak ass Millie off out of here.
We at the mile with it. Let's get it.
Okay, Jew, fuck him up. Fuck him up one time. Fuck him up one time. Yeah. Boy, if you don't...
Look at his face.
This nigga look like a transsexual nematode.
That joke sucked.
I fucking leave a toe. What you rate that? What you rate that, Jew?
What was the...
What you rate that?
It was
a C plus.
Nah, it was a good
Because
B.
you had a lot of
That was a
people.
good B.
It was a good B.
A B?
I don't know what a nematode is, so that was pretty good.
Yeah, right?
I don't know what that is.
A transsexual nematode, just think about it.
Okay, yeah, I give you that. Because he said transsexual. That's a B.
You look like a homosexual pogo stick. Nigga look like a homosexual pogo stick.
He said you look like Whoopi Goldberg, little sister.
Whoopi Goldberg little sister.
Now, what you rate these, dog?
Boy, your ass look like a bi-curious.
What you got against plot?
Your ass look like
Wait.
your ass look like a goddamn a bi-curious June bug. You look like a
Hey, this shit is all A's.
this nigga look like a diabolical French fry.
That is so right.
I'm done with your ass, boy. I'm done with your ass, boy.
Boy, Shadow, you like a burnt ass Squidward.
A burnt Squidward?
Exactly.
What you rate that?
Jew, Jew. We damn near the same color. You blend in with your outfit, boy.
Look at your outfit. Let me see the camera.
Here we go again with this shit.
You about black as fuck, boy. Look at you. You ugly.
You better put the heart out again.
Look at he gonna do his signature pose.
You
Look
sound
at
like
the
that
feet.
video.
He gonna do the signature pose.
Like a baby cat model.
Hey, y'all, it's Vuhlandes.
He said you shop at you about to go? You shop at the baby cat?
You shot at the baby goat? You shot at the baby goat? Alright. That's it, you shot baby hat.
I know he got you, boy.
Baby goat though.
You look like I'm living out that movie.
Beat his ass, dog. Fake ass Jerry Rice jersey.
I'll give you $10 to fucking fight me right now, dog. Let's go! This fight was supposed to happen like 4 years ago.
Beat his ass in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Beat that nigga ass, bro. Oh shit, boy. That nigga ain't got no one. Cam, where you at, Cam? Ain't that your man's?
Get your big ass on him.
Hey, y'all niggas ugly, bro.
Just like Chris Jenner.
Hey,
all these niggas
y'all niggas ugly, bro.
That bitch, then I scared them with spinners and spinners.
Y'all niggas ugly, bro.
Got spinners.
Hey!
Stop all that fussing, spend 10 on my necklace, they drop we pressure, bitch, don't want no pressure. He pussy good breakfast, that bitch.
This nigga suck, right?
Yeah, I know.
Want me to do it, bro?
Yeah.
What I gotta do?
That, this the, when I say lift it up, lift it up. This the first one.
When you say lift it up?
Yeah, this one. This one.
Alright.
When I say lift it up. Alright, lift.
You better go check it out.
Alright, push it down. Alright, go.
Feel like seagulls.
Okay.
Can I grab with this hand? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, bitch, we did it.
Damn, that boy Cam strong as fuck.
Hell no, I put that nigga in a headlock yesterday, bro.
Hell yeah. Hey, you got that shit saved?
Why?
I think I got it saved.
Why that?
Oh yeah, put that shit on the vlog. Hey yeah, somebody send me that shit so I can put it on the vlog.
Mod.
I put
On phone him. Get this bitch ass nigga.
I'm on him, he ain't going.
I have one leg on the bed. I'm not going. I'm not going.
this nigga in a super headlock yesterday.
Yeah.
That nigga couldn't get out.
Bro, I have one leg on the bed, bro. Like,
I have one leg on the bed, bro. I'll put your ass in a headlock right now, boy.
hey, look at that sky there. That shit like
Nigga, you think it's a game, nigga? Touch me, nigga. Bet we in this bitch. Bro, what the fuck is these animals and what the fuck? Where are you going, bro?
trying to find out what that is.
Niggas got a petting zoo in this bitch? This Applebee's. That's why I don't fuck with Applebee's.
Yeah.
Bro, you want me to walk through this shit with the, oh my God. This nigga talking about, I don't care, nigga, I'm hungry. Hey, I'm in this bitch. Hey, I'm in this bitch. I'm in this, oh my God. You never been here before. You a head ass. Where they at? I'm in this bitch. They already ordered? Oh, good looking. This nigga turn, he about to eat.
No, I was waiting. Oh my God.
Y'all niggas gay. Oh,
this nigga gay as hell. Boy, you so big for someone.
this nigga got a pineapple and onion pizza. This nigga got a
My shit look better than yours.
olive and chive,
Real chicken,
chive
ground
pizza.
beef. Bitch is not fucking chive.
Shut your black ass up. This nigga got a broccoli and what's that? Tomato pizza. I ain't see Dom shit. Yo shit. She got a goddamn school pineapple. Lunch. Yeah, school lunch, pineapple and burger pizza.
Pineapple and burger.
Oh yeah, she got artichoke and
Nigga, show yours.
Nigga slap. What the fuck is you talking about? Nigga slap. Nigga, I got helly meats on my shit. Nigga, no homo. Jude, you put chives on your fucking pizza. Don't talk to me.
He put corn on his pizza to act like he was healthy.
Nigga, my pizza, nigga, what? The fuck is you talking about? My shit good.
It's a vegetable.
Nigga, corn is good. What the fuck is you talking about?
You put corn.
Don't knock it. Don't knock it till you try it.
I wish they chopped it.
Nigga, come. Nigga, no money. Bro, you for real, bro? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Fuck is he talking about?
Slam it, you!
Look like you let off that move.
Damn, it still went in. That's dedication.
You still got your
The foot right now.
He disrespecting your profession. Oh, shit. Goddamn. What you feel about that, bitch?
What you gonna do, dog?
I've been done this shit forever.
Why the fuck are we waiting on her, bro?
Hold up.
Pizza, yeah. My pizza, my pizza, my pizza, my pizza, my pizza. What'd you say?
Nigga look like a homosexual.
He said you look like Whoopi Goldberg,
Whoopi Goldberg little sister.
Now, what you rate these, dog?
Boy, your ass look. This nigga look like a diabolical French fry.
That is so rude.
I'm done with your ass, boy.
Boy, Shadow, you like a burnt ass Squidward.
A burnt Squidward?
Exactly.
What'd you rate that?
Drew, put your Drew.
Let me see the camera.
Here we go again with this shit.
You about black as fuck, boy. Look at you. You
You gonna do the signature pose?
You like a baby girl model.
Yo.
Artichoke and trash. Meat lover, straight.
Slap.
What was it, slap?
Slap.
He there already.
Trash.
You know your shit.